High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is a popular form of cardiovascular exercise that alternates short bursts of intense activity with periods of rest or lower-intensity exercise. It has gained popularity due to its time efficiency and potential to provide numerous benefits to the body. Here are some of the effects of HIIT training on the body. Improved cardiovascular fitness. HIIT significantly improves cardiovascular endurance by challenging the heart and lungs. The intense intervals push the cardiovascular system to work harder, leading to adaptations that enhance its efficiency and capacity. Increased calorie burning and fat loss. HIIT can be highly effective for burning calories during and after exercise. The intense nature of the workout and the afterburn effect, excess post-exercise oxygen consumption or EPOC, can lead to increased calorie expenditure even after the workout is over. This, in turn, can contribute to fat loss and improved body composition. Muscle strength and endurance. HIIT involves using various bodyweight exercises or resistance training during the intense intervals. This helps to build and tone muscles, leading to increased strength and endurance. Improved insulin sensitivity. HIIT has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which means the body becomes more efficient at using glucose, sugar, for energy. This can be beneficial in reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Enhanced anaerobic capacity. HIIT can increase the body's ability to perform high-intensity activities without accumulating excessive amounts of lactic acid, thus improving anaerobic capacity. Time efficiency. HIIT workouts are usually shorter than traditional steady-state cardio sessions but can still provide similar or even greater benefits. This makes HIIT a practical option for those with busy schedules. Cardiovascular health. HIIT can positively impact various cardiovascular risk factors, including reducing blood pressure, improving cholesterol levels, and enhancing overall heart health. Mood and mental well-being. Like any form of exercise, HIIT can release endorphins and reduce stress levels, leading to improved mood and mental well-being. Muscle preservation. Compared to some other forms of cardiovascular exercise, HIIT may be more effective at preserving muscle mass, especially when combined with resistance training. This can be particularly advantageous for individuals aiming to lose weight while maintaining lean muscle mass. Versatility. HIIT can be adapted to various fitness levels and preferences. It allows for a wide range of exercises, including bodyweight movements, plyometrics, running, cycling, and more. This versatility makes it suitable for different individuals and keeps workouts engaging and enjoyable. Plateau breaking. For individuals who have reached a plateau in their fitness progress, incorporating HIIT workouts can help kickstart new gains and push past stagnation. However, it's essential to keep in mind that HIIT is a high-intensity workout and may not be suitable for everyone. It's crucial to start at an appropriate fitness level and gradually increase the intensity and duration of HIIT sessions to avoid overexertion and reduce the risk of injury. As with any exercise program, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional or fitness expert before starting HIIT training. Did you enjoy the video? Let me know in the comments below what you thought and if there are any other topics you'd like me to cover. If you like what you are seeing, please subscribe and hit the like button. Your support helps me create more great content. Thanks for watching.